let's go to filtration. So now we've moved on to, well, it's very expensive a lot of times to retrofit your buildings for increased ventilation. So you can supplement your ventilation with air cleaning. You can have a portable air cleaner, or you can put some very efficient filters in a recirculating fashion, either in your ventilation system or in a separate recirculating airflow. Next slide. To make sure that your air cleaner is performing as you are expecting, you need to size the air cleaner for the space. The way we do that is using something called the clean air delivery rate. This is the amount of airflow that is particle clean air produced by the device. So in the diagram I've showed you here, dirty air is sucked into the device and clean air is spit out the top. And I've shown you a bunch of different varieties of devices. You can purchase these at Target, it's where I got mine. And you can size them at the website shown on that little graphic to the top left, which is ahamverified.org. They show certified air cleaners and how big of a square feet you can use them for in your space. So if you have a 600 square foot space, just buying one of these air cleaners that provides 360 square feet of cleaning is not enough. You need to buy two so you can hit 600 square feet. And I show a graphic on the left that shows as particles are generated by people speaking or people talking, then the particles can grow to a certain level, and you need to drop those particle concentrations lower by air cleaning, and it's faster with air cleaning and ventilation compared to just ventilation by itself. Next slide.